PowerApps Solutions Lesson 21 in our Enterprise End-to-End Implementation series. In the last video, I promised that we would have a way for the users to click into jobs and view additional information about the job. So let's go ahead and work on that. In order to do that, we actually have to go into a place called PowerApps or Power Pages Management. So we're going to click on this Power Pages Management section here, and this is going to open up a new tab. And this is a model-driven app that gives us the ability to do a variety of different things with regards to our entire website. This is the backbone of our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to create some forms. In this case, we're going to create a form, a basic form, because we don't need anything extravagant right now. And there's out-of-the-box basic forms, but we're going to create one specifically for what we need here. And we're going to call it job form. And I'm going to call it view only. And so then we're going to go ahead and type in job. And then here we have our job. And then the form that we're going to use is our recruitment form. And we're going to show both tabs. And the mode is crucial. Insert means you're creating a new record. Edit means you're updating the existing job. And read only is literally read only. Read only is exactly what we want. In this case, for now, what we're going to do is we're going to just pass a query string. Parameter name, we'll just pass in job ID. And then, but later we're going to get into how we connect everything from an authentication perspective. So let's go ahead and choose our website. Our website here is PowerApps Talent Engage. We'll just look at our form options. And really, we're not doing anything special here. We're just showing the form. But there is the ability to create a related record, and we do want to create an application. So let's give it a shot. This would be the application. And this would be a basic form. And then we would end up adding that in here. So we'll do that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and see if we can just save this for now, the way it is. And we'll add another basic form for the application here. And we'll come back to this. So let's go ahead and go to basic forms, create a new one, application. And the application is going to be right here. This is the application that we built here. And our form name is going to be called application. Our tab name we won't specify. And this is actually going to be an insert. So this is going to be where they actually create the record. So we'll associate that with our PowerApps Talent Engage website. And then we'll save. So now if I go over to the other form that we were just working with, which was our, in this case, our job form, what I can do is the action button configuration. We can go ahead and see if we can push that other form as an option so that we can kind of kill two birds with one stone, right? Be able to create a application associated against that job. So we'll see if we can get along with that. Let's refresh here. And so right here I have a basic form. It's the application form. Perfect. That works great. So it even recognized it already. All right. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here to Design Studio. So then we're going to come back in here and we're going to go ahead and go to our list. and we're going to go ahead and click on edit list, and we want to see if we can add view details, and there's our job form. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and then for the display label for each one of those rows, view details. That's perfectly fine. So what we've done is we've created an option here. And so what I want to do is I want to synchronize that with the database. And let's take a look and see what we've got available to us. All right, so we go ahead and click preview. Okay, and let's just say I want to take a look at this particular job here. I'm going to click on view details. And I can see more information about the job, which applications are there. I don't have permissions to view these records yet. We're going to work on that in our next video. Which candidates, we're not going to be able to see that except for our own candidate. We don't need to be able to see that information. We'll be able to see our interviews here later, and then engagement will help us to see our data later on. There is an ability to create a related record, but we still have to work on getting that set up. But right now what we have is the ability to view the details of one of the jobs in the view. And that's exactly what we wanted to accomplish. So let's move on to the next step, which is then getting the ability to create an application for a job and getting that into the system. Thank you.